Now I am introducing with moderator. Here present Honorable Moderator Mr. Jahirul Islam Ribon, who is English lecturer Dr. Khandekar Missionary Hussain College. And here present also Mr. Kamal Hussain, Jurianpur University College, Head Department of the English Department. Here present Honorable Moderator Mr. Khairul Hussain, Humna Degree College, Head Department of English. Here present competitor also. The topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. Dear audience, who first debater team, Sanjida Sarkar Diba, please welcome on the desk.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are become the servants in thought as in action of the machine we have paid to serve us, said by John Kenneth Galbraith. However, Honorable President, Chief Guest, Special Guest, Opposition team and viewers, at the stigma salam, assalamu alaikum. Today, our debate topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. I am Sanjida Sarkar Diba from the opposition team. Now, I am delivering a speech in exposition. In a normal language, information technology is the use of any computer, storage, networking and physical device and all the process to create, secure and all functioning data. Yes, I am totally information technology is a bliss, yet it has some darkness, especially missed our young generation. I am discussing obsession. According to Hella Abrahamson, technology seeps into the life of today's teens. 40 years ago, teens spent most of their time by playing games in the outside parks with their friends. But today, they are sitting in a corner of a room and playing video games and watching the real world. The internet, while extreme through communication and also massive ideas access in public. According to the post dispatched in 2007, a girl named Megan Meyer has committed suicide because a boy she liked started saying nasty things about her on the internet. Little did she know, the cyberbullying was actually a mother in her neighborhood who had invented this boy. So can you imagine how troublesome and misleading the internet can be? According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, teens spend more than 53 hours on technology in a week. Teens frequently spend 9 or more hours on technology than 5 years ago. When teens and children have time on technology, that's exactly. If these teens are the future, will be the future will arrive. If the average rate of spending time on technology continuously increasing at this rate, that our teens will be spending on technology more than 53 hours on technology. And 558 hours on more than 23 days on technology. So, without a firm given reality, the children may find themselves in a place they wish they aren't. Honorable Moderator, I want to tell about a fact. Recently, I have got news that a girl named Sabina who has committed suicide because for a so-called culinary race. So, can you imagine how many girls like Sabina has committed for this race? So, isn't it missing our young generation by taking their valuable lives? Moderator, today's debate competition is being recorded by the video cameras. It is the blessing of IT and it may encourage us to participate in the debate competition. But if you look very carefully, you may know and well-known device hidden camera, which is used to take clearest photos and videos of the young girl. Criminal takes videos and blackmail them with those innocent girls. Sometimes they upload the videos on net, who is become the cause of the death of the many young girls. And their family loses their social respect. Honorable Moderator, can a conscious citizen like you and other can tolerate this? It's all are happening for the development of IT. My dear opponent, as a conscious youth of our country, I have no choice but to make you responsible all these days. Because if you were supposed to this, it wouldn't occur. With the frequently in the news, there is no surprise there is a risk of cybercrime when utilizing technology. According to a US Department of Justice, released that people as young as 21 are running tech based on crime rings, stealing commission, costing customers and $10. At Computer Security reported that there are 21.1 million lost because of a financial fraud, 8.4 because of a virus hack, 6.9 because of a data theft. In addition to these problems, the insider money costing organization, abuse of email and internet privileges. According to the Colonel Stephen Strogel, social media has made it difficult for us to distinguish between the meaningful relationship that we foster toward in our real life. Cyberbullying has spread throughout the world, with 42% among the youth reported that they have been victims, according to 2010 CBS News report. Our Honorable Moderator, our Chief Guest, Mustafa Jabbar Sir, has issued that even in the classroom, Facebook is being used by the children. So where are their attention towards the education? Reference Jugantar, 8 September 2015. My dear opponent, isn't it missing our young generation by taking them away from the education? Honorable Moderator and judges, I would like to hear an issue. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Opposition team, Sanjid Islam Dina, welcome on the dais.
It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has been exceed our humanity, said by Albert Einstein. However, honorable chief guests, judges, teachers and others who are present here at Pasikmai Salam, Assalamu alaikum. Today our debating topic is the development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. But I don't support that. I'm Sadie Islamia. No, I don't support that IT sector is misleading our young generation. Because due to using these IT sectors, our young generation will lead to the path of development. Honorable Moderator, first of all, we have to know what is IT. Information means a data which is an accurate statement to change in any sectors can occur. Technology is a kind of status by which information gets its real meaning to amongst to the people. Honorable Judges Mustafa Jabbar, the inventors of keyboard. Video Bangla keyboard are retyping Bengali records in our sectors. And by the invention of these softwares, our young generation can learn Bengali. So by the using of these softwares, our young generation are misleading? No, my opponent, they are not misleading. Honorable Moderator, my opponent can say that about hacking. Hacking is a result of IT. But my opponent, did you know that one new security software has been invented? Only for 100 seconds, all kinds of phishing and hacking sites will be blocked. So nowadays, hacker cannot do hacking any more website for this software. So it proves that the development of IT is betterment for us. And it's not misleading us because it's doing betterment for our environment and betterment for our needs. Paper was invented in China 105 AD. We all know that the people of ancient times wrote in trees, leaves, stone, etc. They cannot write much more if they want, and it is not possible to carry out this trees, leaves, stone, etc. with us all time, isn't it? But for the invention of this paper through the IT sectors, we can write much more if we want, and we can easily cover the different places. So by the invention of these papers through the IT sectors, we are using in our education sectors and many others, we are misleading. No, my opponents, we are not misleading, rather it helps in our education sector. With the invention of Pratham Alo and Jago Foundation, the students of field tracks can get the lecture of the Dhaka University through the online. Can you imagine this without the No, my opponent, you can this without the IT sector, and it is not to give the lecture of the student. So by the way, the IT sector leads to the whole nation, lead us the proper right way. Honorable judges, the last debater of my opponent has said that the camera is misleading our young generation and they take the life of many people. But my opponent, you know that the CC camera is used in school, college, university, etc. And they take this for example, if in your school they have one student do any crime and the results you can know it by the CC camera and the moderators can check it. So, by giving this information, we can know which is right and wrong. Thus, our students can keep away from the illegal activities. So, by this getting information through the camera, we are misleading? No, my opponent, we are not misleading. I think that you would get answer your question. At first, I want to tell my opponent that please change your mind and agree with us that IT sector is not misleading our young generation. Rather, it helps our young generation to the path of development. Thank you everyone for listening my speech.
Position team, Tania Akhtar, welcome on the dais.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to deliver my speech. A scientist named Andrew Fromm has said that education makes machine who act like a man and produces men who act like a machine. Anyway, honorable chief guest, moderator, and everybody present here to speak by salam, assalamu alaikum. Today, our debating topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. I am Tania of the position team. Development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. Yes, it is true. There are unlimited examples of this, and I will discuss some of them. At first, let me clear a thing, that is, we are not telling that you can't use IT in a daily life. We are telling that the young generation are misled because of IT and through using the IT. However, we got a new report from the American Internet Association that is, of teens 12 to 17 using 81% of them use social networks. For the 12, 94% of teens have Facebook profile
As a result, many teens are aged, destroyed morally and psychologically. Due to excessive use of internet, wrong results, and furthermore sitting in front of computer have seriously damaged their eyes and put strain head and shoulder, and we can suffer from back pain. About 60% teens in USA and almost all over the country have admitted to responding messages from strangers. This kind of behavior is very risky and has made children and young vulnerable to become the victim of cybercrime. Again, this was conducted between August 1999 and February 2000. It has interviewed 1,501 youth internet users regarding sexual solicitation and approaches. 15% of the youth who use internet had received an unwanted sexual solicitation in the past year. 5% of the youth had received a distressing solicitation, that is, a solicitation made them feel very or extremely upset or afraid. 3% of the youth had received an aggressive solicitation involving offline contact, attempts or requests for offline contact. Again, my dear opponent, radio is a blessing of IT. We all know that the Declaration of Independence was given by radio. So how can we deny the help of IT? We can't deny it. But the great man who gave this declaration among us. And my dear opponent, do you know this? The reason behind this is the sector. Because he was killed and these guns are produced by the help of IT sector. So my dear opponent, isn't IT misleading our young generation by taking the valuable lives? And my dear opponent, can you deny this? And it is not fruitful for you to support this development in that sector. The leader of my opponent team also knows that development in that sector is misleading our young generation. Because in his speech competition arrest in our school, he mentioned that one of his friends was good, but later he turned into drug addict. Moreover, these drugs are produced by the machine invented using the IT sector. These drugs and drug producing machine are the product of the development in the IT sector. So my dear opponent, isn't drug misleading our young generation? Again, from this example, you may say in reply that this benefits the person use. Yes, this depends on use. But if you keep some money on a desk and tell people that they are free to take it, then obviously they will take it. Similarly, as our young generation are provided this chance to involve in bad deeds, so they cannot but get involved in that. Honorable moderator, isn't it a crime not to involve in bad deeds by providing to involve in bad deeds? Some days ago, a boy of 11 years old did using telescope, and this was accepted by NASA. Honorable, a question may come on your mind that isn't IT leading us by giving us chance to discover? Honorable moderator, please note it. Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. He was the first man who kept leg in the moon. And this news was approved by NASA. But it is proved that this news is wrong. Again, NASA gave the declaration of the boy who discovered the planet. So this also can be wrong. How can we become sure about it? So my dear opponent, isn't IT misleading us by giving the wrong information? Honorable moderator, first debater of my opponents tell about the Vijay Bangla software. Yes, it is a blessing of IT. But as every sector has both effective and harmful sides, this sector of software also has some harmful sides. Though government block all the porn sites to prevent the misleading, but anyone can see porn using some software like Hotspot and Share. So my dear opponent, isn't the developing our young generation giving chance to watch pornography? Thank you for carrying my
chance for opposition. Tafsirul Quran Shanto, welcome to the dais.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here present, honorable chief guest, moderator, teacher, judge, and all well-wishers. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today, our debating topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. But I am on its opposition. I am Tafsirul Quran Shanto from opposition. Honorable moderator, information technology is a modern phenomenon that has dramatically changed the daily lives of individuals throughout the world. IT are vital to companies' operation for business success, which is the key to survival in this modern business world. So what do you rely on? Companies rely on IT for fast communication, data processing, market intelligence. IT plays an integral role in every industry, helping companies improve business processes, achieve cost efficiencies, etc. So honorable moderator, it proves that IT sector is the reason of our social and economic development. Doesn't it, my opponent? Yeah, and this development leads us to the right path. Honorable moderator, the principal element to form a government is sovereignty. We cannot imagine a country without ensuring sovereignty, and IT sector is used for ensuring sovereignty power. So my opponent, think again and choose your option that IT sector is not misleading us. Rather, it is leading us to the path of milestone. Honorable moderator, social networking sites like Facebook, Skype, Twitter, and other social media websites are used for information and communication processes by the young generation. Please do not mislead the young generation. Honorable moderator, the whole world especially in the development sector, our youth are working. As the youths are related to IT, they are not misled by it. Rather, they are developing their own country. Honorable moderator, moreover, information technology can be used as a great education. Students can have access to all sessions on internet. Some great Wikipedia, Khan Academy, Binary Provider, and free resource professional. In education sector, we take a lot of help from IT that I have already prepared in my speech. Here, IT is helping our young generation to gather knowledge. What do you think, my opponent? IT is misleading our young generation by giving them proper knowledge. Honorable moderator, my opponent is just showing that IT is harmful for us, but they do not know what is that. IT is saving the valuable life of the people through supplying various service like treatment, operation, transplantation of organ, telemedicine, etc. Honorable moderator, nowadays modern surgery and radiation treatment for tumor and cancer is done safely and accurately by the help of information technology. My opponent just show me a single sector in which sector we are not taking the help of IT sector. Honorable moderator, the importance of banking is well known to everyone, causes we use bank and other service of bank. We can send money to any place using bank, which saves our time and ultimately leads us to the right path. Information technology is set up every organization for in and e-commerce. My opponent member also said that according to the report of IT sector, 19% young receive unwanted sexual solution, 5% receive distrust sexual solution, and 3% receive aggressive sexual solution. My opponent, honorable moderator, please note this point. According to the opinion of my opponent, 5% plus 19% plus 3%, that is totally 27%. Young are misled, but 73% young are benefited. Therefore, honorable judges, according to the opinion of my opponent, most of the young are led to the right path with the help of IT sector. At last, I will say that from all of my logical speech, you will be agree with us that IT sector is not misleading us. Rather, it is leading us to the path of milestone. I think you have no more objection about this matter. Development in the IT sector is leading us. Thanks all for your patience hearing.
Now this is chance to Baidul Islam Bappi. Welcome on the dais.
Firstly, I want to thank this wonderful debate competition. Honorable Chief Guest, moderators, and who are present here, first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. You all are welcome to this wonderful debate competition, whose topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. I am Baidul Islam Bappi, I am in the position team. I am the third deputy of the position team. Honorable moderator, we all know that everything has its own harmful sides. So we can say that development in the IT sector also has its own harmful sides. As the things are developed like that, the harmful sides also increase. So I have a question to our opponent that is the development in the IT sector is not misleading our young generation? Honorable moderator, according to me, the answer will be no from our opponent. And to make it yes, I'll give some examples, reference, and many logics. Honorable moderator, with the people seated here, almost all the young generations, most of the young generations are engaged in different types of indecent works like rapping, teasing, bombing, and many other works. Honorable moderator, come rapping. Niladri Mila is a clear example of that. He was killed by someone because of the course of developing in the IT sector. So now, moderator, my short speech was for completing a mission that for understanding of the topic. Honorable moderator, I hope that you all understood the topic, that developing in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. So I have a code request to my opponent that please confess with us and say developing in the IT sector is misleading our young generation. Thank you all for your cordial hearing. Have a good day.
Honorable Chief Guest, judges, audience, and who are present here, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. Today our debating topic is development in the IT sector is misleading our young generation, but I am on its opposition. I believe my heart and soul that development in the IT sector is leading our young generation to the path of milestone. And I am Sadia Sabir Sakiba. My opponent, everything you said are just focus speaking. Your second debater talked about drugs, but this is totally unrelated to our topics, so there is nothing to say about it. However, Honorable Moderator, Nobel laureate Amartya Sen said that to get rid of poverty, the unemployed people should be transformed into human resources, and IT can be used as the medium. So my opponent, think like me and agree with me and Amartya Sen that IT sector is not misleading us, rather it is leading us to the path of milestone. And so why don't you think so? Honorable Moderator, information technology has become an accepted tool for teaching anything. It includes internet-based computing, providing visualization, stimulation, modeling, online providing, and even connections to actual research institutions. And without these things, we cannot imagine a multimedia school. And even if advertisement, nothing is used but IT. So here IT is helping keeping people of a country active, and who are working for development, obviously the young generation. So my opponent, is there any other medium for advertisement? Again, dear judges, the first and second debater talk a lot against Facebook. But I think you all know that the Refuge Island Cordy, the Syrian child whose dead body was found in the beach of Bodrum. The European was compelled to access their policy due to the split of the dead body of Island Cordy by social networking like Facebook. So my opponent, I think you will be agree with me that social networking like Facebook is of great importance. Honorable judges, a processor can close IT who's saving our valuable time. So my opponent, in this case, do you think IT sector is misleading us? Hey audience, note me carefully that the great scientist Jonas Salk said that this is perhaps the most beautiful time in human history. It is really pregnant with all kinds of creative possibilities made possible by science and technology, which now constitute the slab of man. If man is not enslaved by it. So my opponent, there is no scope to deny that IT sector is, honorable moderator, please let me finish. So my opponent, there is no scope to deny that IT sector is misleading us, leading us to the path of milestone. For that, I understand request to disallow let me. Development in the IT sector is not misleading our young generation, rather it is leading our young generation to the path of milestone, to the path of development.